Right, we're heading through the old girls, and it's a good day, good morning that is, and it can be bloody bleak over here. I've been over here a few times in winter, not the best of places to be, but we've cracked it now. We're on the right side of spring, and there's a few little villages over here I want to pop into, and they're quite surprising, just how bonny they are. So not far off now. Right, took a few minutes to get down here now, behind this lad. Anyhow, shut down until we get there. You can't go wrong with the Dales, you know. I mean, look at all these old buildings here, and a proper bit of dry stone wall in this. Didn't know how to do things in them days. God knows how some of them manage the mine, but you know, these villages miles out of out in the sticks. Don't know we're born, do we? That's what it's all about. Had a bloody hard life. Anyway, we're not far off the village. I'm getting into the village now. Ravenstone Dale. Can't beat touring in the Dales. If anybody's thinking that I'm touching my phone while I'm driving, I'm not. Operating it by Bluetooth. So, coming to the crossroads now. I'm going to bear right. Should be heading through the village. If I remember rightly, there's a couple of pubs, certainly one pub, so I'm going to go slow down here. Bonny place. The thing to do is when you're about touring and mooching around, get off the beaten track, get off the main roads, and just turn down somewhere, check it out. Now what we got here on the left, the Black Swan. So that's certainly one big pub and I would thought a restaurant. We've got the Scar Gallery. So I'll just turn around on this car park and we'll go back out. Because again, there's no major attraction. As the attractions are the little villages, and that's what it's all about, and the footpaths that leads off them into the Dales and over onto the Hawes. Again, that's somewhere we won't want to be in winter. Looks a nice pub, looks a nice little gallery. Anyhow, I'm going to head back out now, because I'm going down to Hawes, at least I think I am, unless I find another little village to have a drive through and add to this video. So remember, that's Ravenstone Dale in the Hawes, Yorkshire Dales, Westmoreland to be correct. Just nip back up here. don't forget, if you like these little tours around the Dales or wherever I'm knocking about, which is always somewhere, believe me, don't forget to subscribe, because the more subscribers I get, it helps me to make more videos. It's not about money. Life's not about a load of money or anything like that. It's about getting around and looking after yourself, seeing as many places as you can. One time in that box, don't forget that. Right, time to shut down. Might see you in Hawes.